Takes its time to open.
Thank you. Skywalk.
Hopefully.
Skywalk, I got it.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Got the door. This is a cool view of the vodka tower, as I call it. That thing looks like an absolute vodka bottle from the side.
Oh, this, the EMC building?
Yeah.
You have a good one. That was a security guard. Good to know they don't mind filming. I kind of see what he means. Oh, I see what he means now. It's like that inner part looks like the bottle, I think. Yeah, it does. Okay, I see it now. Anyway, is that another set of elevators over there? No. This is the top. Anyway. Let's see here. We'll watch out. We've seen the Kone indicator. There's the absolute bottle. The vodka tower.